Okay, let's take this part off. It's clean, nothing bad. So we will check. We believe we have a bad fuse or heat element, but at the same time I just take this one to make sure we clean. And the reason I did it a couple times the heat elements out, and then just make sure so we clean back there, which was good, but I saw some land stock there, so could be stock or clothing land. So but we will check. Alrighty, we're good to go. Turn the start fuse out of the step. Okay. And we have a bad heat element, and that's not a good sign. So to do that, we need to remove this. And remove this part. We need a flat screwdriver. So as you can see, we have the coil is breaking down, so melt it, and we're going to replace that one. Alrighty, this is our new heat element. Get the fuse. So we just put these are back the way we take them, so we can start it from there, pinch it down. We're now ready to put those two screws. Finally, but if you don't know, so take a picture of it, make sure so you put it on the right place. Put these screws back. Now I can use my easy. Those are deep and alrighty. So always make sure and test the heat element, which is goes these two, and try right here. So if making kind of beeping, that means you have this coil connected to the middle part, and that's not a good sign. It's make overheating. Even if the dryer is off, so the heat element is gonna make heat, so that you always make sure there's no continuity between one of these two and the panel. And we need to clean this one, put everything back. Oopsie. Let's test out how it goes. Oh yeah. We will see the it's gonna light up or not. It should be, and that was that. So we do have a light. That's good sign. So okay, now we can put everything back. I almost saved myself. So we need to put all those screw and cover. I just check inside to make sure it was clean. It wasn't too bad, but you can trim this one, so you always cut some here, and just like that. Put your clip in. stand. Those are not my tools, and it's from down inside, so I need to take that one off. You can use one of these or just put it in just like that. Okay. And last thing, we almost done. Where's my temperature gone? Alright. Thanks so much, and see you next video.